Okay, so now we are now moving towards bit of advanced HTML. Now I would not say it's very advanced, but yes, it is very useful if I may. Now, one of the most important tag if I talk about now is table tag. Now, what is a table tag? Obviously, as the name suggests, it is going to create a table for us. Now, let's see an example of it. So here we have something which is known as created by George Lucas, original work, Star Wars, owner Lucasfilms Limited, and years 1977 to present. Now, obviously, why we are going to use a table tag? Because table tag gives us a flexibility, if I talk about, to structure the data in the tabular format compared to using anything else. Now let me show you why I'm talking about this. So what I'll do, I'll actually put this below the image here. So let's say we will use 3 tags. So I'll say created by George Lucas. Sorry, it's Lucas. I mean, fine. And I'm not going to use the emphasize right now because I mean the strong tag. Then I'll say original work. So I'll copy this line. Now you can see there is no difference, or I would say it looks altogether similar. It looks altogether similar. Like it has no difference, no differentiation. It just looks simple. What max I can do, I can say strong. So you can see there is a slight of asymmetric kind of things which is looking. So here you can see it is presented in a very symmetric way if I talk about, but here it is not presented. So you can see created by is coming till here, then original work is coming till here, then owner is coming till here, then here. So like it does not look good. So now let's give a solution to that. We will use a table tag. So what I'll do, I'll keep it here right now just to give you a difference. Now I'll open the table tag. Again, the syntax is quite simple. Starting tag, the closing tag, and the content inside that. Now table tag is bit different compared to other tags because it contains other tags as well. So let me show you what they are. So they are very simple. TR, which stands for table row. What is the difference between a table row? So like row is obviously something which is horizontal. Okay, so this is table row. Inside table row, we have something which is known as TD, which also sometimes stands for table data. So what I'll say, I'll just start copying this stuff because I've already done the hard work there. So I'll copy this and I'll say TD, and in short, it is also known as table data. I'll simply copy this and I'll paste it here. I'll save the file, nothing fancy, but let's move on. Now I want to replicate that for original work. Now I just want to understand one thing. If you guys can pause the video and maybe you can try by yourself. Let's see if that happens. I'll give you a time, pause the video and do that. Okay, fine. So if you are not able to do it, let me show you how we are going to do that. So I'm going to copy this again and I will paste this term, the original work, if I may. And I will copy this Star Wars. I'll save the file now. Now you can see there is a slight difference. You can see this created by and the original work which is shown here, and the created by original work with the table. Let's focus more. Again, table row. Inside that we have table data. So apart from original work, I'll copy the owner, which is Lucasfilms, and I'll just paste it here. And I'll copy this Lucasfilms Limited. And finally, I'll copy one more, which is going to be years 1997 to present. Sorry. I'll save the file, and now you can see there is a slight difference. Now it is more kind of a symmetric, so you can see there is a proper padding, there is a proper spacing which is available, which was not available here. So this is how the table tag differentiates, and it actually helps us. Now try to understand few things about table tag. Table tag consists of three important tags: the table tag itself, the table row which is vertical, and table data which signifies kind of a cell inside the table. But try to understand one thing, table data also signifies number of columns. So we have 1, 2, that means this row has 2 columns. This row has 2 columns, this row has 2 columns, this row has 2 columns. Now I'm not going to dig deeper into the advanced part of table tag, but you can understand how table tag actually works here. It's very simple. We have a table tag which is the opening tag, then we have table row which also signifies the table row, then we have table data which says obviously table data, and inside that after table data we have another table data. If I'll add something here, another column, so you can see now this table has, this first row has 3 columns. So this is how table tag works. Obviously if you have any questions, put them in the comment and I'll make sure that these questions are answered. And if you have any career related doubt, every Saturday I'm live on YouTube. So if you have a career related doubt, if you want to understand, if you want to learn this technology, how you can learn it, you can come live on the YouTube video, and it's a Zoom call, so we can have a live interaction. All the links are available in the description of this particular video.